Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget for it. So press and hold at empty space and then click edit or plus at the left top. Now add widget. And right here you need to scroll down and find batteries. And right here we have it. Tap on it and here's 3 presets for it. Select the best one for you and then click add widget. And you can check the battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. Now the second option is to use SOUNDCORE application. So open it, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see that the device list. And firstly, in this menu, you can check a battery level for your left and right earbuds. There is no battery percentages, but we have these icons here, so at least something. And you can also tap on it and check it right here. And there is no battery level for the charging case, so only for the left and right earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.